everyone, welcome back to Telugu One Fashion. So today I'm with another interesting video. So today's video is all about basic makeup. So I'm going to show you how to do basic and simple makeup. So let's get started. So firstly what you have to do is tie up your hair. That's the main thing with the rubber band. Just tie normally. Yeah. And then the second thing, your hands must be very clean. So for that, sanitize your hand. Yeah. So for the face, for the first step, what you have to do is moisturize and sunscreen. That I have already done. So I've already moisturized and I've put sunscreen also. So the next step, what you have to do is use the primer. So this is the Fit Me primer that I'm going to use. I don't use much of makeup, so this is just a simple makeup that I'm going to show, a quick one. So rub it and apply it. So the next one, what you have to do is use a lip balm. Prep your lips before you start your makeup so that by the time you apply lipstick, it's going to be moist. So yeah. So this is Nivea. Nivea is my favorite. So the next thing after putting primer, what you have to do is take the blender and put the foundation on your face. So before using the blender, this is a tip, guys. You have to dip it in the water, and actually I had to show you before only. It was very small. As soon as you dipped it in the water, like lightly, it's gonna bulge up like this. So if it is moist, it's gonna blend very well. So that is one more point. So this is L'Oreal foundation which I use. This is just for rough use that I use. Yeah. It's very light content that I'm going to use, only so much. So I have done with blending my makeup. So one tip that I wanted to give you while blending is don't rub it. Okay, just dab. You're gonna just dab like this so that it's gonna blend well. And the next thing what I'm gonna use is compact. So this is also L'Oreal. So this is just for my rough use. So usually I don't use a lot of makeup. So if I really want to, then yeah. So I usually use this brush while I apply, because the sponge thing, I don't think so that really works so good on me. So just take it, just remove the excess and what I'm gonna do is mascara. So before putting mascara, I do not put eyeliner or kajal because I feel mascara is just one thing which makes you look more nice because you get more long lashes. And I think for me personally, I don't need any kajal or eyeliner. This just finishes my look. So yes, I have applied mascara. So as you can see the difference, if you guys can see, there's a lot of difference, I guess. I don't know if you guys can see, but it gives really good look. So the next thing what I'm gonna do is eyebrow pencil. So if it's required, I'm just gonna brush it because already my eyebrows are dark. So I'll just brush it, that's all. I'm not gonna use anything. I'm just gonna brush it properly. Yeah, this is the only thing that I do. If your eyebrows are light, you can use, it's already over, but this one's color bar, it's too good. It's natural, it's brown in shade, not black. So never use black for eyebrows because it will start looking more fake. So you can give a bit of brown color so that it looks more natural. So next one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the lipstick. So that I'm wearing this pastel purple, I'll go with the kind of purple shade itself. So I'll go with that. So I use the lipstick on my cheeks as well as if I want on my eyes also. Now, yeah, if I want, I'll use it. So, and for lips also. So first I'll be showing on the cheek. Just dab and take this. Just lightly. So I have put cheek tint, not cheek tint, but blush from a lipstick. So if you want the excess on your hand, put it on your lips or maybe on eyes also, that's gonna be right. So now I'm gonna put it on my lips. Yeah, that's it. It's gonna get light anyway, so yeah. And I think that's it. I just do very simple makeup. So I'm gonna leave my hair. If you want to, you can apply kajal, but I don't want to. I don't think so. It's necessary for me. So yeah, I think it's very natural, right? I've not put anything. It's just that I've used a bit of foundation, very bit. I showed you in the starting how much I use, and while you're using blender, just dip it in the water so that it's gonna blend nicely. Because I just chose this amount of foundation, so if the blender is wet enough, it's gonna blend very nicely, like how I showed. And then a bit of compact powder to just set your face. And then what did I use? Mascara. As you can see, this is giving a very nice look. And what else? Just brush your eyebrows, lipstick, and if you want lipstick on your cheeks or maybe the excess on your eye, and just done. Just leave your hair, and I think this is it. So yes guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. So I think it's gonna be useful as well. So don't forget to subscribe to Telugu One Fashion. Thank you so much.